This is Paranormal Short Session 3 at the Digital Alarm Clock by Keith Evans. Paranormal Short Session 3 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. Now, when I'm about 4 feet from the alarm clock, the reading on the millimeter is 00 milligauss and 73.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, as I move in, I'm about 3 foot, about 2 foot. Now I'm about a foot. At about a foot, you get 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 milligauss, 0.4 milligauss. Now I'm about 6 inches away, 8 to 6 inches. Now I'm going to lay it down in front. You can see it's up to like 27. Could this just be the faulty alarm clock with the electrical current causing this? Or could there be one or more ghosts or spirits using my digital alarm clock like it was a condominium or a nightclub or a social gathering place for ghosts and spirits? Alright, I'm gonna move my millimeter to the left side of the alarm clock, digital alarm clock. No longer touching it. I'm getting as high as 50.1 milligauss, 50.2 milligauss, 50.3 milligauss, 50.4 milligauss. Let me move it to the right side of the seems to be a lot less on the right side. Let's move it to the back. And that was at 114.3 milligauss. Well, that is a lot higher.